Uh-oh. Check engine lights on. Okay, we got a code for the oxygen sensor out of range. Bank 1, sensor 1. This car's got 124,000 miles on it. And I don't think the oxygen sensor was ever changed. So we're going to throw a new one in. Bank 1, sensor 1 on a 2009 CRV will be the first oxygen sensor before the catalytic converter. So here it is under the car. You need to jack the car up to get to it. And these are actually very close to each other. There's the catalytic converter right here. First sensor. Second sensor is right there. The wiring is tucked up close to the frame rail over there, so you have to reach in there to unplug it and then unscrew the sensor. We'll be putting in a Bosch sensor. That's the part number. You got to unplug the plug that's in the car. So there's a little tab on this connector right here you need to push on to release the little clip and pull the wire off. Now it's tucked up into a little hole up there. It's the front sensor. And you really got to squeeze your hand in here to try to get to it. There we go. Unplugged. It's a little tab that holds it on a clip. There, wire's off. Oxygen sensor socket. You can buy one of these inexpensively to use. It needs to be able to clear the wire to put in the new sensor and clip on. If you don't have one, you could use an open-end wrench to install a new one or to remove it. Let's see if we can get this one out with just the open-end wrench. Yeah, wasn't that bad. That's a 7/8 wrench. Old sensor's out. Put the new one in. Give you an anti-seize lubricant to put on the threads, just a little bit. Screw it in. That's tight. Little rubber insulator goes in that clip. Come on. You can do it. And get the plug in place. Listen for the click. Click. Very good. That's it. All done. And we're going to go in and erase this code. Erase. Yes. Okay. Okay, code's erased. I'll restart. Okay, we are good to go. Thanks for watching.